part of golfing.
Yeah? Were you sleeping?
Sleeping, it sounded like a pallet ride. It sounded like a pallet call. Just cracked. I think his tires exploded or something.
That and one of the fuel tanks went boom. That log actually was on fire out front here. I sprayed her down and it's like, where the hell did that start from? We're all standing here, next thing I look over, it's smoking. Is that running?
Too much to tell.
Not too much, buddy. See ya.
Yeah.
Just watching a barbecue.